Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Adwoa and I make lifestyle and fitness related content with a little sprinkling of hair and true crime. So today's video is going to be a what's in my backpack online edition, or online school edition, because I'm going to be at home all semester. So I'm not really going to need my backpack unless I decide to go to like a Starbucks or something. I just wanted to show you what I'll be keeping in my backpack on days that I leave the house, or just things I'm going to be keeping in my backpack in general. So oh, it's heavy. This is my backpack. This is a JanSport backpack, if you couldn't tell from the big logo. I'm gonna open this first pocket here, and I got my mask because you need it, and then my pencil case. If you didn't know, I'm an accounting student with a minor in finance, so a calculator is what I need at all times. And then some other stuff is just pens, pencils, whiteout. I always have a mini stapler on me because you never know when you need to staple some papers together. So those are some essentials that I need. Oh, and lead, of course, since it wanted to stick out of the backpack. Some lotion because my hands do be getting ashy sometimes, especially with this constant washing of hands. Some hand sanitizer. You should probably keep this on you at all times. This is an alcohol-based hand sanitizer because apparently it's more effective against viruses, and the other one that's not alcohol-based is more effective against like bacteria. So I got this. Some cuticle oil because I'm trying to grow out my nails, and I heard that if you take care of your cuticles, your nails will grow. So always have that with me. And you can't forget these. These are my headphones. I bring these with me everywhere. I have two actually because I thought I lost the first pair. So the first pair are black. They are the exact same thing. I just got them in white this time around so I don't lose them. That's it for that. For this big pocket, I have my planner. It's a Day Designer. It's a really, really big one. I love this planner. I've been using it for a few weeks now and I love it. I love that during the week that there's that huge to-do list because it helps me to stay on top of things. And yeah, and then notebook. You always need to write stuff down, especially when you're in class taking notes. And if you don't take notes by hand, you probably use your computer. I just don't because I like writing them down.
Coronavirus!
Next is this folder. I used to use this a while ago. I plan on like keeping my syllabus or syllabi in here, and any like random pieces of paper that I decide to print off, I'm going to keep them in here. Next is my water bottle. This is a Camelback something. I saw this from Jacqueline Forbes and I love how big it is, and I love the fact that there's a straw. See, it makes drinking your water a lot easier. Another thing of lotion because I said earlier my hands do be getting dry, so that's that. My last thing in my backpack is my laptop. I use this for a lot of things. For some classes I use this to take notes. Now I'm going to be using this to attend Zoom calls, do assignments, go to office hours if I need to. What else do you use a computer for? Communicate with friends, send emails to profs, submit stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And in addition to my backpack, sometimes I bring my lunch bag. I just got this one from Amazon. It's pretty spacious. I can fit a lot of things. It has this pocket here. And then it has this one here. It also has this little thingy here, so you can make it like a crossbody. And yeah, now I'm just gonna refill my backpack. Sometimes I do bring my tablet with me. Like if I was going to campus, sometimes I bring it so I could like look stuff up on my tablet rather than my computer, because the battery life on this is garbage. My laptop is 9 years old now, so it's on its last leg, especially when I try to do stuff on it without plugging the battery in. So that's always fun. Can't forget the mask. I also would bring like my textbooks with me, unless I have a digital textbook. I just use the digital one, and then I'd use my tablet and then my computer, so the textbook would be on my tablet and then I'd do the work on my computer. But yeah, it was a very short video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below what stuff you keep in your backpack. It's gonna be kind of tough to talk about because we're not all going to be going to school in person. So yeah, also let me know if you guys are going to be in school in person or not. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos. I'm planning on doing more like day in my lives, like college day in my life. So if you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I think I said that already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.